spectacular story of a kid, normal life.
Oh shit. Alright. You know, so I gotta be careful with the ice. Moving the house like 3 times. I'm like, Kaka, get outside. I'm like, go outside, girl. How you doing, man? It's snowy. You're in the snow, Kaka. Look, it's snowy. Look, you got snow. Kaka in the snowy. Come on. Oh. Hey, you ready? Let's go up the hill. Come on. Give me up there, Kai. Take it up. That's how it's slippery. Good girl. There's snow. You're in the ice. Look, I'm just seeing the whole snow come down. I'm like, Kaka, we could literally be outside right now as we speak. But she ain't gonna go out, cause I guess to her it's cold. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna always put a jacket and hoodie on. I mean, because who wouldn't be outside in the snow? Oh shit! I mean, it's the first time I heard being out here in the actual snow, like where we come from, stuff like that. It ain't the first snow on down. I had multiple of them, but I'm just saying. So, keep sliding, bro. Get a little bad for y'all. I know she do. Yeah, hey, go in front, go. You don't even have bushes for. You could probably smell food, shit. Who knows? What's in the bushes that you want so bad, Kaka? That first snowing girl. That's her. She out snowy. She out snow. I gotta be careful because it's going to fucking. Okay. Shit. I gotta put value in your dog. I gotta put accountability in your dog. Somehow, some way, shape or form, dogs carry what's the word for it? That's the word I'm talking for. Dogs, example, dogs carry a vision, right? So they carry a vision that you know what I mean? The vision you got is a daddy, right? Or a mom, or being a pet. I mean, it's a half-half. Shit. Y'all telling me. Good girl. And I speak highly about everything that comes to mind. It's just natural, shit pure. Shit identified. You know what I'm saying? You gotta rock hard, rock crazy. You know what I'm saying? Every day, just work. That's all I do. I work harder. Bust my ass each day. I carry content for you guys. It's the best time to be outside. I got goggles on those this time. I don't want to, like, I don't like her having no goggles. Them goggles, it's too blurry not blurry. She can see, but it's hot and shit. Like, dogs want to be all in snow. She couldn't do none of that. She's like in her face wet. Like, you know what I mean? Pause. Like, in her face wet. Told you. What did I say? Eating bone. How the hell you know what bone was at? Weather, y'all. Oh, fuck. There you go, KK. Hold on. Good. Go. On. Yo. Hold on, Kai. What you got? Ah, shit. That shit hurt like a motherfucker. Fuck. That shit hurt it. Wait, I should go see. What are you smelling? You keep choking. Stop eating stuff. Let's go now. No, you're bipolar. Stop. I mean, you about to throw it. I mean, you about to. You know what you gotta do. Good girl, bro. You about to throw up here eating stuff. Eating the snow too fast. When you eat the snow. She's scared. She went right over there and didn't want to jump down. Yeah, she's right there. Be careful. Stop. Hold on, yes, that's too. What's slow? Look. Can't get up. Kara's dangerous, bro. Look at her, and she's not. It's so pleasant out here. Kara had the best time of her life right now. And you want that, man. Real talk. All dogs consider being in the snow. All dogs love being introvert to the snow. And not extroverts. Extroverts is when you punking. You don't want to punk down. You want to go 100%. What you like having? Like, what you like doing? Oh, shit. I mean, alright, ready to run down the hill. Ready to run down the fucking hill. Cut. Oh, shit. Good work, Kai. Huh? Ah. That was fun. That was lit. For sure. That was lit. Shit. Cut yourself. Oh shit. Fuck. Come on. Good. Oh, she's cursing my paw, bro. Ah, shit. Scratches. She had it before? Or she's outside. Where's this girl, man? She's dangerous. You have a dangerous dog, bro. It's like, man. That one of the girls. One of the girls, right? Good. Go in there. Go, cat. Go, now. Get her. Paw hurt. Yeah, ice him up. Dangerous. You hear me? Better than she like that, bro. Hey, do you see us? Mm-mm. You see us, bro? No. Y'all stay tuned, man. Bro, yes, man. Come on. I told her, man, oh well. It's cold, Cal. Well, it'll be way better going to pee and poop than anything. For real, I don't know why my phone turned like that. Well, yeah, y'all heard what I said. She's right here. And like I told her, man, it's much easier when you could actually something. You know what I'm saying? It's way much easier. And then holding it to warn you that she has a urinary tract infection. Because she'll understand. You get a tract infection, it's just being holding your fucking pee. Just holding your pee. You have a urinary tract infection. I'm just holding your pee. It's bad. And I don't want that for her. So I told her, just go outside and do what you gotta do. You don't gotta stay here that long. Oh, I'm about to fall. You ain't gotta stay here that long. You know what I mean? Do what you gotta do. It's that simple. Oh shit. Be careful. Alright, y'all. That shit. That's one, but yeah, man, all Pitbulls love, man. Pitbulls love interaction. Pitbulls love to have fun. Pitbulls love to interact with other dogs. Pitbulls, some of them just like her right here. She's not the normal pet. Well, what the hell? What are you doing, guy? What is it? This right here is my swag. But yeah, that's one of the most common. I hate fucking looking at this shit. Listen, this is the thing, man. Bully versus pit bulls, American bully or pits. What's the awkward difference? The difference is between the dogs is their ability to be who they are, the ability to become a father figure, a mother, and a dog. A dog has all these different traits. You know, this one anyway, if you're at the house. So, all these different traits. Stop. Can't move. Stop holding me. Oh shit, it's doing this one right here. Yo, why are you like that? This girl be trying to punch the fuck out of him more times than what she needs to do. Like, what they do to you, Kat? Yo. Yo, pause for a. Yo, listen. You know how I went downstairs the bottom, right? The dogs. She keeps punching that fucking door. The door got a dent in this bitch.
No.
On God, I'm sure. Right now, look.
You put a dent in it?
Yeah, I think she does. Dude, the door is weak as fuck. You know that, right? And the more you punch it, the more dent it's gonna get.
They home.
I think they are. No, it's a chaotic fucking monster. Well, she peed. And she pooped. Yeah, shit. Yeah, well, y'all stay tuned, man. Yo, it gets exciting each and every day. Just stay tuned for you guys. That's what I said. People versus dogs. People versus the regular dog. People versus the king Dogo dog. Queen Dogo dogs. People versus King Corso, German Shepherds. People versus wolves, huskies. You know what I'm saying? Poodles. Fucking Yorkies. And, man, there's some of the Frenchies. Man, stay tuned, man. We got y'all.
all the education you need, you come on here right to us, man. Love you guys, man. Okay, those
Good, y'all. Right back outside. Yes, indeed. Back out, y'all. Feel me? Touch me when it come out. It's cold. I don't put her coat on anymore because the pads need wash. Her pads need wash and she keeps itching, breaking out bad. She got me since this morning. Yeah, chill. Oh yeah, she's been scratching since this morning, bro. You know what I mean? And I usually be telling her, I'm like, I know what it is. You need it bad. She just had bad though. She just had bad. It's not that I think she had a reaction. She had crust this morning. Well, no, last night she had crust. Piece of crust. That's it. It's not gonna hurt. That's bread. You get what I'm saying? That's not the case at all. So I don't fucking know, man. But she good though. She alright. She ain't chilling. She like that. Hold on. Cheap, man. Alright, you ain't gotta turn. Try to know. Come on. She got a pause and her. She got. You know what I'm saying? I told you I no grip. Like, she got grip on her paw, right? Her claws. Her claws grip to the ground. I don't have that. My shoes are worn out. That's my other Timbs, and both of them Timbs. You slip no matter what. Okay, get me out there, girl. Here you go. There you go, you girl. Oh, shit. Okay. Shit, all the time, man. So hard doing this shit. Got her shit. She'll be lower. She'll come over. It's fine around. She'll start looking at the snow. For eating it. Shit, man. That's a workout, bro. Just imagine having a ski board, snowboard, so I mean, it has. She wants to see me fall. Yeah, she do. She wants to see me fall on purpose. Then she laughed at me. I just fell once. Oh no, okay, you got the sun just now. You said my ass on the sidewalk. Stay tuned, man. It's like, what? I don't know what degree Fahrenheit it is, but shit, it's cold. Cold as hell. What do you see? Squirrel in there for real? That's crazy. That's weird. Right over to the squirrel too. She can be good by herself. As long as she's kept her, I'm gonna end up getting her a shot collar. She just had. You know what I'm saying? Just have for whenever. Just go through it, do what she do. You know, if I tag her, she'll come back. You know what I mean? Car name, Carol, camera name. And say someone grab it right. I just call, say kill. I just put kill this motherfucker on God. Carol gonna do it, man. Motherfucker's a dog person. Trying to choke Carol. Carol gonna be like, oh shit, bro. So don't cry, Kai. Bite that ass. Do not cry. Stuff happening like this is just for example. Don't cry. Fight. your way out of shit. Like, you know, like hard as hell you could kill their ass. Right there, fucking bones. Like that, you know what I mean? Okay, you let us know, huh? Look, sky's all cloudy and shit. But y'all stay tuned, man. Look how you right here, dig. So you dig in deep, Kaka. Dig in deep, man. Don't even do it. No, don't do it. No. Don't do it, cause you did it yesterday. You got yourself stuck. Come on. Yeah, just scared jump down. It's my cat. What's the point you getting out there going? Scared jump foot down. Shoot. I was sitting for a minute, like, not something wrong, but he's gonna like first. I was down, like, okay, you know what, okay. I see what you're doing. Good, just do it. Good. Parkour. She's doing parkour. You gotta handle the thing that I gotta do with her, man. It's like, bro, cause I ain't say nothing. I'm gonna show y'all I'm gonna show y'all while I'm speaking. I'm gonna show how she get and what she do and how her reactions show. Bro, I tell it the story to y'all. You know what I mean? That's fit, but yeah. Now she's eating a bone. I don't know how she sent her a bone just now. How the fuck she just did that? I don't know in hell she just did that. She's just like a fucking coyote and a wolf. That's how they do the hunt. Really all they fucking do all day. She eats the shit, right? She right in the territory. That's crazy, bro. That's what It amazes me, bro, how she is, man. Oh, yeah. Fun as hell. She's fun. Like, she's fun to be around, bro. Literally, she's fun to be around. Like, you know, it only hesitates for me. You can grab my side with her, you know. Only time I feel like it only hesitates when she's like hesitant because she don't feel like it or she don't want to. Now that I tell her, I force the fuck out of her. I tell her, I'm like, Kaka. I'm like, girl, go outside. You know what I mean? I'm like, shit. I'm like, go outside. Now, why not? You know what I mean? Shit. What she gotta do? What she gotta do? Go outside, do what you gotta do. So, but y'all stay tuned, bro. Hold on, I'm in here trying to. Oh, okay. It's a snowman. It don't bite. Snowmen don't bite, cat. Look, it's a snowman. It's snow. You get scared of a snowman. This little girl, I'll tell y'all. Ah, man, I'll tell y'all. She got so much character, man. She's literally playing the movie. All right, come on. All right, come on. You girl playing the movie, man. She's so cool, bro. Man, Kai. You know how I could tell when she started moving fast because the snowman hat moved. You know what I mean, she thought it was like a human. You know, like that's a snowman. It's cold, man. I'm gonna head out. Check out y'all out in a minute. I can't talk, it's so cold, y'all. Check out in a minute. You know what I mean, the Fahrenheit going up. It's I don't know what degrees it is on my phone. Y'all might see it in the video, but it's like 24 something degrees. It's like 24. I'll hit y'all when I see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna hit this camera real quick. That's the basis of how dogs act. It's not like, I'm gonna tell you this one thing, man. What is so cool about the dog shit, right? You don't understand. It's about getting out every morning and do what you love. All that rest of the shit don't matter. Like when it comes to this dog shit, all that matters is spending time with your personal dog. Living up in life. Creating new goals. You know what I'm saying? In life. Get big in life. Get popular. All the rest of that shit don't fucking matter at all.